Welcome back to Zero To Flutter. In the last video, we installed Flutter and created a simple app. Now it's time to understand what that app actually is with Zero Fluff. So let's get straight into it. So let's first open the folder. Let's first open the project we created in last video. I had named it lesson 1. So you can go through file, open folder and select the folder. So I already have it in my recent one, so I go from it. When you create a new Flutter project, you see a bunch of folders. Here exactly what matters and what you can ignore for now. We need to focus on this Android folder, build folder, iOS folder, leave folder. We can give some focus on other folders too, but we can ignore it for now. So the Android folder, it is generated automatically, so we don't need to touch it right now. Same thing for iOS, same thing for web, also the same thing for test. We don't touch these folders, and we'll switch our main focus to the lib folder. The lib folder is where our actual Flutter app lives. This is the only folder we care about right now. Inside lib, you will always see main.dart file. This is our entry point. The file starts your entire Flutter app. So let's open main.dart file inside the lib folder and break it down line by line. So this main function is the main entry point of our app. When our app launches, the Flutter calls the main function. Inside the main function, this run app tells Flutter, load this widget is the root of Flutter. In our case, my app is the root widget. Now let's go through the my app. My app is the top level widget of our entire project. Material app is like the skeleton of our app. It handles themes, navigation, routes, and more. The home defines the homepage of our application. In our case, it's simple my homepage. So let's get to the my homepage. By default, Flutter gives a simple counter app. Let's first run this app and we will discuss further. In the meanwhile, let's clean up it and I'll show you how to create your simple UI. I will remove all the unnecessary comments. So let's clean everything. So I will delete all this. I will even delete all this. So I will delete all this. And we will create a scaffolding that's inside this build function. Scaffold is the basic structure of our view. Let's quickly create something. Okay, we have just made a hello world UI. You can see in the center of this screen, we can see a hello world. Let's give style to this text widget. Okay, let me explain this quickly in 10 seconds. The scaffold gives you the basic screen layout. The center puts the content in the middle of the screen. The text widget displays the text, and style gives the decoration to your text. We can save this file. I will press Ctrl S and then it automatically reloads in our screen. I can change this to. I will save this file and it will reload. Hot reload is the Flutter's biggest superpower. So far we have learned what file we actually need, how main.dart works, how widget build the UI, how to replace your Flutter defaults template, your first real UI with scaffold, center and text, and about hot reload. That's all we are going to learn in this video. In the next video, we'll start building our first real screen using widgets like row, column, container, icon, and more. This is where the Flutter actually becomes fun. If this helped you, make sure you check out the next video in the playlist. Let's move forward and build something real. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.